Okay, you guys, back with another video. I'm making an omelet, a steak and cheese omelet. And I'm also refilling my coffee container. I guess that should be about enough. Okay, how cute is that? It was cute. Okay. So, I'm about to clean this up, you guys. Just take a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. I'm about to add a little garlic. Just a little bit. You don't want it just too overpowering. Okay, I'm about to season. My eggs now. A little black pepper. I'm gonna add some steak to it. Sorry about that, you guys. So, add some steak to it. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to add some cheese. That should be done. I'm gonna flip this boy. I'm gonna let that steak cook. Let it get warmed up. Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. My steak and cheese omelet is done. All that cheese in here. So I'm finna get to eating this while it's still hot. So, got this on deck. And last but not least, and I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.